What does pending balance mean on the Steam Marketplace? Explained. Ever sold an item on the Steam Marketplace and notice your money is stuck in pending balance? Don't worry, today we'll break down exactly what that means and why it happens and how long it lasts. So, what pending balance means? Pending balance simply means the money from your sale hasn't cleared yet. Steam is holding it temporarily before adding it to your wallet. So, why it happens? There are a few reasons why this happens. First is refunds. If a buyer cancels or gets refunded, Steam pauses the payout. Second would be security checks. If your item's price is way above or below the average, Steam flags it. And third would be anti fraud measures. Valve uses pending balances to stop scammers from cashing out stolen items. Now, how long it lasts? Most pending balances clear within a few days. Once Steam verifies the transaction, the funds move into your wallet automatically. So, what you can do, you can't spend pending funds until they release. If your balance stays pending for longer than usual, reach out to Steam support for help. So remember, pending balance isn't a bug, it's Steam protecting the marketplace. Your money will clear soon and you'll be ready to spend it on your next game or skin. And that is basically what a pending balance mean on Steam.